I'm Hannah, I'm 23 years old and I studied engineering, leadership and management at Swansea University. BOWLA is a business in promoting my father's bakery innovation and invention. BOWLA has been in existence now for 15 years after my dad had an accident with a bread maker which looked like a top hat loaf, and since then he's been trying to develop a prototype to create a smaller bowler hat shaped loaf of bread. You take the bottom and the top and you separate them and you're left with a bread bowl with a bread roll. You can fill the bread bowl with any sort of soup, stews, curries, just some savoury examples, and then you can also make it from donut and fill it with ice cream and fruit, etc. for a sweet example. My background is in engineering and science in general, but I've always wanted my own business, and my dad sort of came to me with the idea. He doesn't want to do it alone, and I said, well, why don't we do this together? We're based in Swansea Market and my experience so far has been really, really good. Everyone here is really friendly. I've had a lot of support from the council and from the university as well. The support I've received from the enterprise team in Swansea University has been second to none. They've been so helpful from start to finish. I met the enterprise team actually in a module I did. One of the enterprise team came in to do a talk and I got chatting with them, and then they introduced me to the big pitch. The big pitch I did the first time in March of 2022. It was my first interaction with the business. It was the first time I told anyone outside of my friends and family. I was very, very nervous, but the enterprise team was so kind. Everyone there was so nice. In that pitch then, we weren't ready to start trading at that point, so I was assigned a mentor for 6 months. The mentor was amazing. He was so helpful, very keen, and then we developed the business plan forward. I then re-entered for the pitch in November of 2022 and we were ready to trade then. I won the £3,000 funding, which went a really long way in the shop and also just gave me confidence in the business as well. My advice for other students wanting to start their own business would be to just go for it. Take any free advice you can get from sort of trusted sources like the enterprise team. There's so much support out there for students, more than you can even realise.